All right, let's take a look at this beauty. 1935 Ford 5-window coupe. One we picked up out of a collection. Unfortunately, the gentleman that owned these passed away. Family decided to move some of the cars, and this is one we picked up out of the collection, and it is a beautiful car. As you can see, the chrome and the bright work in the front of it stands out very nice. Dual horns up front, chrome buckets on the headlights, trim pieces up and down the grille. Very, very nice car. I'd call this the top end of a driver echelon car as far as the condition of the paint and the chrome and everything there. It is pretty much stock from everything that I've seen on it. Flathead V8 underneath the hood, manual transmission. Best thing about this, it is a rumble seat car, as you can see back there. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out the rumble seat, check out underneath the hood, check out the interior underside. Go ahead, if you look down below this video in the description, you're going to see a link. Click on it. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check them over, look over those pictures closely, how nice this car is, or just call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on it. I've been around this car with a magnet. It is an all steel vehicle. No reason to believe this isn't all Henry Ford steel. What a nice looking car. One thing I also did, front windshield crank works. The front window vent, if you will. I did crank that open so you could check it out, but you can see the reflection off the wall behind me. So you know this paint is a nice shape, has a good luster to it. It's black. Is it perfect? No. You may find some imperfections here and there, but they're few and far in between on this one. The red spoked wheels, wide whites. What a great look. And then you can see that matches, sets off kind of the cream or off-white and red pinstriping up and down the side of it. Always love these back here. Here's your step to get up into the rumble seat, which is also vinyl in a nice shape. You can see here I did reach in the back too to show you that rear window does roll up and down yet. Lots of times they're frozen or not free. This car, they all work. Spare tire mounted in the back of the coupes. Just take a look at this car from the rear. Gorgeous car. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this vehicle shipped to where you're located at. We do it every month. Sell about 40 cars out of here a month, so we're always assisting people with shipping their cars throughout the country. Once again, that phone number, 507-386-1726, or again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just the easiest, click on the link that's down below this video in the description. 1935 Ford 5-window coupe all steel. Let's go ahead and look up and down the driver's side of this car also. One thing I did notice too is look at how nice the doors fit. We don't always see that on these older coupes. Again, notice the reflection in the paint. Very nice shape. Now let's look at the interior. Just as nice as the outside. Has that kind of that era correct mohair. There's no way that can be original. It's too nice a shape. But you do have the original mohair style look. That kind of simulated wood grain trimmer on the windows. Look at this banjo steering wheel. That did appear original to me, but I'm not 100% expert on that. Not 100%, but it does not look like a repop. It looks real. See the gauge cluster. All that looks original, as well as the dash. There's that crank out handle right here for the vented front window I was talking about. Headliner, also in nice shape. Kind of tough with the lighting to see back there. The front bench seat, again, out of kind of the mohair fabric. It just looks so stock. You can tell it has had a restoration along the way, but done to keep it very stock. Like I said, flathead underneath it. Manual transmission. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Turn the ignition on. Starter is in the middle of the floor down here. Feet are at. See how easily that flathead started. Nice smooth running flatty. I'm going to go ahead and let it idle. Hop out the back. Again, so nice and door closed. Come around to the back. Just what you'd expect of a stock flatty. I like how they purr. These flatties are cool. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video here a second. I'm going to pop each side of the hood and let you take a look underneath there. See how nice and clean it is also. See if I can get this to pause. Alright, there we go. Got the hood popped on both sides. Take a little quick look at the engine bay underneath there. What you'd expect to see if you've seen a flatty underneath the hood of a 35 Ford before, but you can see how smooth it's running. Check her out. And again, you can see still pictures. So you can check out the engine bay. Still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, down below in the description of this video, there's a link. Click on it. That'll take you there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available on these classics, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Don't expect this beauty to last long. We look forward to hearing from you.